So, Super Nintendos look like they come from a smoker's home. There is a fire retardant material in the plastic which caused them to go yellow over the years. So like the bottom there, not exposed to UV light, still looks fine. This side here looks yellow, and the stuff that doesn't have the fire retardant material still looks brand new. What we're gonna do is we're going to take this thing apart. Thanks Thomas for the bits, and we're gonna try to brighten these up. We got this stuff here from Shoppers Drug Mart. I've seen videos with some other cream. These are smaller bottles, so I picked up 2 of them. They're only like $4, but the point is they got 40% peroxide in them, and the UV light is going to help reverse the yellowing on the plastic. So we're going to take it apart, we're going to wrap it in plastic, smother it in this cream, and we're going to stick it out in the sun for a day, let the UV light do its work. We'll see how she turns out. So this thing needs to be cleaned out, but not bad for being like 27 years old. There's all the pieces out of it. Sound chip, RF shielding, the plunger to eject the cartridges, the controller hookup board. That one there is the power switch. That was the expansion port cover, and then the motherboard itself. I left the slot cover on, didn't need to take that apart. So the bottom one's set, but the top still has to be disassembled. So far, this thing's kind of disgusting. I've been cleaning it as I go. I took it outside to blow all the shit out of it, but just gotta keep plugging away. Alright, so we got our plastic pieces off. Now, there is a thin, even coating of the ice cream, it's called, on the plastic, and then it's just wrapped in saran wrap to keep it from evaporating. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of cloud cover today. When I first put it out, it was in direct sunlight, so we'll see how it goes. I'll just leave her for as long as it takes. What a difference! Wow. So I ended up putting it out a second time. I put a little bit thicker coat on there, wrapped it in saran wrap just like the first time, and let it bake in the sun for one more day. I made sure to get the sides a little bit better, because the first day it came in it was much better, but there was still a bunch of yellow throughout it, so just did it again, and I am so super pleased with the result. It turned out amazing, so unbelievable. I will remember to keep this stuff around, so if you have any first gen SNESs that are yellowing up in the sun, just remember that this ice cream stuff seems to work really well. Make sure you get the 40% and go from there. Just take your time with it, be careful. The disassembly of the SNES is a lot more involved than just the regular NES, but things worth doing aren't easy. This thing looks brand new in comparison. No longer the bingo hall yellow that it was when I started, so 100% pleased. I can't be happier with the result. Unbelievable.